Have you ever been to Italy? Hit like if Italy is on your bucket list, but please go ahead and comment if you have visited and tell us which place have you been to. Venice, Verona, Naples, Lake Como, Milan, Rome. We all know that Italy is famous for its food, its fashion, and famous cities like Rome and Venice. But did you know that Italy hides some incredible gems that are steeped in history and offer views you won't find in the typical tourist brochures? One of those gems is just a few kilometers away from a piece of genius history. A few years ago, I visited the Santuario della Rocchetta, nestled in a quiet corner near Embersago. I stumbled upon it while looking for unique trails. Its serene surroundings and timeless charm make it the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. I remember standing there, completely awestruck by the beauty of the sanctuary and thinking, how is this not on every travel itinerary? Today, I flew my drone over the Santuario della Rocchetta, built in 1386, and it hit me. This wasn't just a sanctuary. It was a historical treasure that has withstood the test of time. This sanctuary is a hidden jewel perched above the Eco Museo di Leonardo, offering stunning views and a palpable sense of history. But seeing it from above is like stepping into another era. Nearby, I discovered Leonardo da Vinci's ferry on the Adda River. It's a testament to the brilliance of his engineering. Imagine standing by the river where Da Vinci's genius literally floated. It felt like stepping into the Renaissance. And let me tell you, seeing these places from a bird's eye view brings an entirely new perspective. But you know that day a few years ago when I first saw the ferry, I just hopped on the ferry and sailed across to the restaurant which serves amazing fish dishes. So let's talk about Leonardo da Vinci's ferry on the Adda River. It's an engineering masterpiece that still works without an engine. This area is full of cultural and natural beauty that celebrates Leonardo da Vinci's contributions to this region. It's a must-see for history buffs and anyone fascinated by the genius of Da Vinci. Therefore, I realized that these locations are not just stops, they are stories. They are quiet reminders of the genius, of the faith, of the resilience that shaped Italy's history. And now, I'm here to share these places with you, not just from the ground, but from the skies. So there you have it, Italy's hidden gems that combine history, beauty, and a touch of genius. Have you visited any of these places? Let me know in the comments, and let me know which one is now on your must-see list. And if you love this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we're just getting started. Join me for more off-the-beaten-path adventures, and let's explore Italy together, one drone flight at a time. Arrivederci.